Start the camera. This moment must be immortalized.
Camera's running. Action!
Finally, the time has come. I almost forgot. Silly me, silly me. Here's the antidote I have made. This potion is almost the same. But in order to reverse the process, you have to add some ground up kelp.
Lemonade!
Oh, that's done it. You see, Professor Chuck, this system circulates fresh seawater to my fish around the clock. Without it, they die. See here, I pump it up directly from the ocean.
Hey, you guys. Any of you seen Stella?
Who?
No, not in the last 6 minutes.
Stella!
Stella!
It's Stella!
Stella! Whoa.
Stella! Where are you?
Hey, Chuck, check out this silly...
It's it'll dry out. Put it in water.
Stella, now this isn't the time to hide and seek.
Stella! Come out, wherever you are!
It's still running. Let's see. Oh no! Hey, oh my! Hey, fly! Hey, fly! No!
Nothing! I can't see anything!
Ah, forget it! If we can't see her, then there's only one thing to do!
Stop! Wait! If you don't get the antidote within 48 hours, you'll be forever!
I can't swim!